Starting something new is always hard. So much work goes into getting a business off the ground. If you're not entirely sure it'll work out, it can be really daunting. No matter your level of apprehension or experience, it helps when you have a partner like Shopify on your side to help. Shopify is the commerce platform behind millions of businesses around the world and 10% of all e-commerce in the US, from household names like Gymshark and Everlast to brands just getting started. Get started with your own design studio with hundreds of ready-to-use templates. Shopify helps you build a beautiful online store that matches your brand's style. Accelerate your efficiency, whether you're uploading new products or trying to improve existing ones. Shopify is packed with helpful AI tools that write product descriptions, page headlines, and even enhance your product photography. Tackle all those important tasks in one place, from inventory to payments to analytics and more. No need to save multiple websites or try to figure out what platform is hosting the tool that you need. Everything is all in one place, making your life easier and your business operations smoother. It's time to turn those what ifs into with Shopify today. Sign up for your $1 per month trial today at shopify.com/DCR. Go to shopify.com/DCR. That's shopify.com/DCR.
This podcast episode is brought to you by Progressive Insurance. Do you ever think about switching insurance companies to see if you could save some cash? Progressive makes it easy. Just drop in some details about yourself and see if you're eligible to save money when you bundle your home and auto policies. The process only takes minutes, and it could mean hundreds more in your pocket. Visit Progressive.com after this episode to see if you could save. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and Affiliates. Potential savings will vary. Not available in all states.
It's 8 a.m. Eastern, May 18th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is up 1% at $77,245. Ethereum is up 1% at $2,137. BNB is up slightly at $641.
No one goes to Hank's for spreadsheets. They go for a darn good pizza. Lately, though, the shop's been quiet, so Hank decides to bring back the $1 slice. He asks Copilot in Microsoft Excel to look at his sales and costs and help him see if he can afford it. Copilot shows Hank where the money's going and which little extras make the dollar slice work. Now Hank has a line out the door. Hank makes the pizza, Copilot handles the spreadsheets. Learn more at m365copilot.com/work.
When you finally find your thing, you want the whole world to know about that thing. So you use a thing called Canva to make it an even bigger and better thing. Whether you want to create flyers for that thing, make presentations for that thing, or design merch for that thing, you can do anything. So people can see your thing, feel your thing, love your thing. The next thing you know, it's a thing. Canva, the thing that makes anything a thing.
Strategy bought another 24,869 Bitcoin for about $2 billion at an average price of just over $80,000 between May 11th and May 17th, bringing its total holdings to 843,738 Bitcoin, more than 4% of Bitcoin's total supply cap. The purchase was funded through at-the-market sales of MSTR common stock and STRC preferred stock. This was Strategy's sixth largest weekly Bitcoin buy ever and its second largest this year, and Michael Saylor teased it ahead of time with the phrase Big Dot Energy. STRC, which currently offers an annualized dividend rate of 12%, has become a key funding engine for the company's Bitcoin purchases. The filing comes after Donald Trump and his family disclosed first quarter trades in Strategy shares and after Strategy agreed to repurchase $1.5 billion of 2029 convertible notes. French Bitcoin treasury firm Capital B bought 192 BTC for about $15 million using proceeds from its latest financing, bringing its total holdings to 3,135 BTC acquired for roughly $330 million at an average price of $105,270 per Bitcoin. The company said it finalized three capital increases totaling about $20 million, including roughly $1 million from an ATM-style agreement with French asset manager Tobam, about $1 million from share subscription warrants, and the rest from a private placement of more than 23 million ABSA shares, each with 4 attached warrants. Formerly known as the blockchain group, Capital B rebranded in July 2025 to focus on a Bitcoin treasury strategy. Well, Standard Chartered now expects $4 trillion in tokenized assets to be on-chain by the end of 2028, split evenly between $2 trillion in stablecoins and $2 trillion in tokenized real-world assets, with established DeFi protocols expected to be the biggest winners. The bank argues the core advantage is composability. On-chain assets can earn yield, serve as collateral, stay liquid, and plug into multiple protocols at once in a way traditional finance can't easily replicate. Standard Chartered sees the sector as bent, not broken, after recent exploits, and views passage of the Clarity Act as a major near-term catalyst for moving more traditional financial activity onto DeFi rails. Well, Iran-linked Fars news agency reported the launch of Hormuz Safe, a Bitcoin-settled marine insurance platform for cargo shipments moving through the Persian Gulf and Strait of Hormuz. The platform reportedly offers Iranian shipping companies and cargo owners fast, verifiable digital insurance paid in Bitcoin, covering risks like vessel inspection, detention, and confiscation. According to documents cited by Fars, Iran's economy ministry has been pursuing the plan since April. The move fits with earlier reports that Iran has been exploring crypto and other non-dollar payment options for Strait of Hormuz transit under sanctions pressure, with potential tanker fees reaching up to $2 million per vessel depending on cargo volume. And finally, AEON raised $8 million in a pre-seed round. The company is building a settlement layer for the agentic economy, aiming to support financial transactions between AI agents as autonomous tools become more active in crypto and commerce. AEON launched its first AI payment product in May, saying it lets AI agents connect with more than 50 million real-world merchants, and it has partnered with BNB Chain, which enables verifiable transactions, on-chain settlement, and immutable receipts for service providers in the BNB ecosystem. CEO and co-founder Eddie Lee framed the raise as funding for a new financial backbone built specifically for AI-to-AI value exchange, while the broader crypto industry continues leaning into agentic tools. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
We all need advice, but it's not always clear who to ask, even in 2026. Enter How To, the long-standing advice show and Ambie Award-nominated Best Personal Growth podcast that's back with new episodes and a new host. Who? Me, Mike Pesca. Each week, I tackle a listener question ranging from travel to finance to relationships and beyond, with help from a world-class expert, someone who actually very much knows what they're talking about. Think of it as eavesdropping on someone else's therapy session without the copay or awkward silences. You've got questions, we'll find the experts and the answers. So follow How To with Mike Pesca wherever you get podcasts.
Have you ever asked yourself, can the president really do that? Or wondered if there was too much money in political campaigns? Then check out the new season of You Might Be Right, hosted by us, former Tennessee governors Phil Bredesen and Bill Haslam.
Well, we're back for a brand new season now, and You Might Be Right cements the idea that constructive disagreement can lead to real problem solving. This season, we're going to dig into the role of the National Guard, AI regulation, and a lot more.
New episodes drop every other week. Follow You Might Be Right wherever you get your podcasts.